Hey YouTubers, it's Rennie here. I was just, I'm a gardener, hobbyist. I was just, picking out some and going through the vegetables and stuff that were ready to, obviously harvest. And I come over to my potato bed. I do a raised bed. It's called the Mittleider gardening method. And, I just threw some dye. I found this box. I got another one right here. It's a mess. But as you see, I got a lot of tomatoes to get. But I use this Mittleider gardening method, and it's absolutely wonderful. I had one potato plant, and look at here. There's some tomatoes mixed in with there. But I got all of these potatoes out of one potato plant. You just plant the tubes. Cut it up when they have the little eyes and stuff on them. See, this still got a little root on it, but the eyes, if you buy them from the grocery store and you see little pods or whatever start growing on the side of them, you can cut them up and you can plant them, and you just let them go. I just one plant in this little, it's like a 3 foot or 2 foot by 3 foot deep bed with some dirt thrown in it. But Mittleider gardening method, look it up. One really great channel got me hooked on it is LDSPrepper. So look him up. Hands are all dirty from digging in the dirt, but yeah, just check it out. It's really easy, it's really cheap. That's what got me into it, because I didn't want to be spending a whole bunch of money, and nor do I have a whole bunch of money to spend on the designer dirt. So it's just really easy. I got the Mittleider micronutrient pack from walmart.com, and you get a 2-pack, and yeah, it goes through the whole thing, but you get that and some Epsom salt and some either 13 up to 17. Mix that together at the right ratios, and no matter what climate, no matter what type of dirt, North Carolina clay, it's hard. But you see what happened, or what it looks like once you do the feeding, and it turns any type of dirt. I mean, I got clay all through here, but it turns the clay into this nice rich soil. This is soil from my yard. So but yeah, look into it, see what you think. And like I said, this is just from one potato plant. Let me know what you think. Y'all have a great day.